here. Let's go. Let's go. Go.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
McKinley Avenue. I think the scrapyard blew up or something. There's a big old boom and now there's a big black cloud of smoke.
Okay, let me get the fire department on the line, honey. Hold on.
You need these buildings evacuated?
Yep.
Do I need to evacuate these buildings for you or anything?
They probably should know because it's starting to focus on that building from that side.
Okay.
We got some explosive stuff over there. Some gas tanks and stuff like that. So.
Okay, I'll let them know maybe they ought to get out of here. S8 the radio. Yeah, I'm going to advise 1529 McKinley, which is Edison Automotive, to evacuate. They have some explosives going off.
That's on the top of our building catching fire.
Yeah, they want you guys to start to evacuate this building. Okay. Because there's got explosives back there. There's shit going off left and right.
Right.
So they would like to get you guys out of here so nobody gets hurt.
I'm going to call and have the yard empty too.
Yes. Anybody that's back there, or anybody on that side to get out.
Well, there's a couple more like back there still. There's a couple that went back before me.
Hello.
In the yard? Yep. Get them out, Paul.
I don't think so. Fire's got it. I'm just trying to evacuate these buildings because they got explosives that are just, there's shit blowing up left and right back there.
Now!
I got me.
Just so you know, you can let him know when you get a chance. Everybody from Edison has been evacuated. Everybody is out of the yard now and everything. Cool, thank you. All right, get the hell out of here. Let's go. Let's go! Go! Out! 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 Get out of here! Let's go! Out! Out! Go! Everybody out! Out! Let's go! Everybody! Let's go! Out! close for me. They were right over my head. Wow. No. Yeah, that's way too close. Man. You know, that was on video too.
Huh?
That was on video too.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, that I'm still walking. Jesus. That's how you mark.
Hello, Trail.
Over here at the entrance of Coda, across from engine or ladder 26, just west of the L.
Okay, I copy. Hey, radio, do we have any freeway cars on Zone 3 right now?
I have 638.
L363. Go ahead, L3. Yes, sir. Could you mind just tooling by this big fire and see if it's impacting traffic or if we're gonna have a traffic issue on the freeway? No problem, sir. 604.
Right.
L3, do we have a chopper up?
Negative.
We have one on standby?
S8 to L3.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, choppers are no-go. I would not have them fly over this. We're having propane tanks exploding and they're going everywhere. So that would be a no-go for those guys.
I copy.
604.
3 to L3, noon is as soon as we could get up. Say that again, please. Noon would be as soon as we could get up for you. Well, I agree with SC. We're going to want to try to stay out of the area. The reason I wanted you up there was just I think we're probably going to have a traffic issue. We're going to have to reroute all the traffic off of McKinley. And I just want to see how far this plume is going to carry and what the impact is going to be from the air. If you can maybe do that without putting yourself in jeopardy. Okay, yep, I'll advise once we get some staff.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm sitting on the freeway at Mountain and 70 does not impact traffic here.
Copy.